Hey there, welcome back to Ride and Rev, your go-to channel for everything automotive. From high-performance machines to everyday rides, we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. If you're as passionate about cars as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into today's star, the highly anticipated 2025 Honda S2000. Cut to shots of the car's sleek design, front grille, headlights, and side profile. After years of speculation and rumors, Honda has finally brought back the legendary S2000, and it's everything we hoped for. Honda has stayed true to the S2000's legacy while giving it a modern twist. The new model combines the spirit of its predecessor with cutting-edge technology and performance. The camera pans to the interior, showcasing the steering wheel, seats, and infotainment system. Let's start with the design. The 2025 S2000 features an aggressive yet elegant look. The long hood and short rear deck are classic S2000 traits, but now they're paired with sharper lines and LED lighting. The interior is minimalist and driver-focused, with premium materials and a digital instrument cluster. Honda's infotainment system ensures you stay connected without taking your eyes off the road. Cut to shots of the car in motion, with exhaust sounds in the background. Under the hood, the 2025 S2000 packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that produces an impressive 315 horsepower. And yes, enthusiasts, it still comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Honda has worked hard to ensure the car delivers the same thrilling driving experience as the original, with precise handling, rear-wheel drive, and a 50/50 weight distribution. Close-up shots of the suspension and tires as the car corners. One of the standout features of the new S2000 is its adaptive suspension system, which offers multiple driving modes. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through mountain roads, this car adapts to suit your driving style. Plus, the lightweight chassis and improved aerodynamics make it a joy to drive. Cut to a wide shot of the car parked, with the host standing next to it. Now, let's talk about the price. Honda has priced the 2025 S2000 at a starting MSRP of around $50,000. While it's not exactly cheap, it's a competitive price for a car that offers this level of performance, heritage, and build quality. For those looking to upgrade, optional packages and trims will push the price higher, but they're worth it for the added tech and features. Closing scene. Shots of the car driving off into the sunset. The 2025 Honda S2000 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern performance. Honda has nailed it with this revival, and we can't wait to see it on the streets. What do you think of the new S2000? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Ride and Rev. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting reviews and updates. Until next time, keep riding, keep revving, and we'll see you in the next one.